Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how long does the battery last on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. So unfortunately this laptop isn't the best when it comes to battery, but it's because of the second screen, of course. It's just the screens now use twice as much battery as a one screen setup does. Also, the battery is just smaller because some of the space on the bottom lid of the laptop is being used by the screen at the bottom, so it's just not as good, and it's between 7 to 8 hours. I know it's much better than gaming laptops, but it is much worse than laptops that can hold between 14 and 18 hours. So it just depends on how important battery life is to you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.